In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list in AWeber. To begin, log into your AWeber account and head over to your main dashboard. When you created your AWeber account for the first time, you were required to create a list, so by default you'll already have one list there. Now let me show you how you can create an additional new list. At the top left-hand corner of your screen, you'll see the name of your current list displayed. Simply click on it once and you'll see its name appear along with some options. Click on Create New List and you'll be taken to a new page to start setting it up. First, you'll need to enter your company name. Besides that, you can also type in your website URL and your address. You can use the same address you entered when you first created your AWeber account, or if you want, you can add a different address here. All of this information will automatically appear at the bottom of the emails you send. After filling these details out, simply click on Next. On the second page, you'll need to type in information to help keep track of your list. Enter a name and a description so you'll easily remember what this list is about later on. Then, scroll down, and here you'll first enter the name you want shown in the From field when your subscribers receive an email. After that, you'll also need to confirm the email address from which the emails will be sent. By default, this will show your account's email address. If you click on the drop-down menu, you also have the option to add another email address if you prefer. Once that's complete, scroll down again and click on Next. Now, on the final page, you'll be able to review the confirmation message email that your subscribers will receive, asking them to confirm their subscription. First, choose the language of this email, then select the subject line, picking from several options available. You can also see a preview of how this confirmation email will appear to your subscribers. If you'd like to change anything, click on Edit to modify the header or adjust the button text. Once you've made any desired edits, click Apply Changes to see how it looks. After you're satisfied with everything, simply click on Create List. Once that's done, your new list will be created and you'll see it appear right there on your dashboard. As you can see, we now have our new list added alongside our existing ones, and that is exactly how you can create a new list in AWeber step by step.